A very warm good morning to one and all, and my dear students. This is teacher Vimla Balsundra Mudliar from Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in a language subject. Okay. So before starting with the lesson, I would like to ask you all of your questions. Okay. What is the importance of today? Yes. Can anyone answer? What is the importance of today?
World Health Day.
World Health Day. Any more? Can you tell me whose birth anniversary today?
Independence Day. No, sorry.
Abdul Kalam.
Yes.
Kalam.
Yes. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir. Okay. So on remarking of the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir, today we are celebrating a World Students Day. Okay. So it is a very important, and he was the 11th president of India from the year 2002 to 2007, and he was been very much fond of readings, books, and he was been very much attached to the studies. So that's why today we are also celebrating the reading days. So if we were in the school, we would have celebrated by reading the books and all. Okay, and we must have conducted various activities. But then too, we will learn today. And like an APJ Abdul Kalam sir, you also enrich yourself with a very bundle of knowledge and be a good citizens of India. Okay, shall we start our lesson today? Okay. Yes, my dear students.
Already introduced myself that it is Vimla Balsundra Mudliar from the school Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2. Okay. Now, can you see what do you see in this picture? Yes, my dear students, what do you see in this picture? Hello.
There was a birthday.
Yes, there is a birthday. Okay, the birthday pictures you could see. Good. Have you attended any parties, my dear child?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What kind of parties you have attended?
Birthday party.
Okay, birthday parties. Only birthday parties you have attended?
No.
Then what the other parties you could have attended? Marriage?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What do you like in this kind of parties? What are the things you enjoy when you go to a parties?
Decoration.
Yes, decorations, very good. And what else?
Yes.
What else you enjoy when you go to a parties? Okay, now tell me, have you ever arranged any kind of parties at your school?
Yes.
Yes. What all parties you arrange at your school?
Festival. Diwali party.
Which festivals? Yes, Diwali parties and
Rangoli.
Yes, rangolis and all. You do it. Okay.
Shabandhan.
Then what kind of parties have you arranged at your schools?
Christmas party.
Christmas parties. Yes, very good. And what else?
And
Christmas you celebrate, Diwalis you celebrate, and even Dasara also you celebrate, no? You
yes.
arrange some simple parties. Yes. Now for the parties, what kind of arrangements you make it? What all things you make it for an party?
Decoration.
Yeah, you do the decorations at your classroom. And
Balloons.
do you come in the same school uniform?
Yes. No.
Yes? You come in the school uniforms? Or you changes, wear a colorful dresses?
Colorful dresses.
Yeah, you sometimes wear a colorful dresses. So dress codes you decide. And by oral invitation, you invite your HM.
Yes.
By orally, you say, ma'am, we are conducting the parties
No,
and
we
you come
will
to,
use card.
you give a card. And what it's been called? That card. It's an invitation cards. Okay. So you make a greeting card and that is an invitation. With the help of invitation, you invite your HMs. And only this much you do it? You never arrange any food parties?
Snacks.
Snacks you arrange it, no? Yes. So invitations, you select a dress codes and you arrange, make a decorations, and you also make an arrangement for the snacks. Okay. Now, so you all the things you organize an event at your school. Now a person who is making all these arrangements and organizes a parties, can you tell me what this the person has been called? You don't know? Shall I answer? A person who arranges all the events and organizes a party, he is being called as a host. And our today's topic is be a good host or a guest. Now, you all might have understood who is a host. A host is a person who organizes and makes all the duties in a program or any parties or any event. Okay. And the person, those who all are attending that party, they all are being said as a guest. Okay, so our today's interesting lesson is be a good host or a guest. Okay, now if you're the host, now as you all said me that you conduct a parties at your school, so first thing what you should remember to do if you're planning a party at your school, what you are doing first. Tell my dear child. What the first thing you will do it?
Plan.
Yes, you will.
Plan.
Yes, you will plan it. It's a very important thing. If you will plan it properly, then only you can lead your program to a very success. If you're not planning anything and suddenly if you're coming up with the parties and all, will you able to do it in a proper way? Will all the arrangement will going to take place proper way?
No.
No, it won't take it in a proper way. So, for the first and foremost thing, as you're being the host of any parties, you should first of all plan it properly. how and where you are going to celebrate it, and that all the things you have to make a proper plannings. Okay. Second thing, if you're arranging a party at the level of your home, at your home you're making up a party, first and the second thing you have to make it is you have to consult with your families regarding the time, place, date, and the menus. Okay. What all the things you will consult with your families
Yes.
for conducting the party? What all things you will decide with your families? What all things?
Time, place,
Time. Yes.
place,
Yes.
date,
Time, place, date, and the menu. Yes, exactly, my dear children. So, when you're arranging up a party, first you will consult with your families that where we will conduct the parties, and when we are going to conduct it, and what all the menus we are going to follow it in the party, and the time for the party, whether it is in the morning, it's in the noon, or in the evening. All the things you have to plan it with your family members first. Now, second thing what you are going to do is you are going to make a list of peoples who are to be invited for the party. Now tell me, students,
party.
if you are arranging a party, whom all you are going to invite it? Whom we will invite it?
Friends, relative, neighbors.
Yes, you are going to invite your friends, then you will be inviting the relatives, and you will be inviting your neighbors. Okay, so these are the persons you are going to invite it for your parties. Okay, now will you able to invite your relatives by orally? Oral invitations you can give it to them?
No.
No, we can't give a oral invitations. So you have to send the invitations well in advance, as you are going to conduct parties, or you are going to conduct any marriage events at your home. You can't give them oral invitations. For that, you have to give an invitations in advance. Okay, it might be a written invitations, and the invitations it's of two types. One is the informal as well as the formal invitations you will prepare for giving it to your friends, relatives, and the neighbors. Okay. Now, what are the things you will prepare to make an invitation? Now, what things you will need to mention in the invitation cards?
Name of the guest.
Name of the guest you will write in the starting, in the cover letter. Okay. And in the inside, in the invitation, what you will write it?
Time,
Yes. First of all, you will mention the time,
place,
place,
date,
date. Okay.
or
And
date.
you and the person who is inviting, their name also will be there, na? Yes or no? Yes. Now suppose you are inviting them for your family function, then you will write it, na? So Mr. Raj Gupta's family invites so and so persons for the marriage reception or the dinner party, anything you will be doing, the event. For that purpose, you will mention your name, who is inviting whom. Okay, so the person who is arranging the party, their name will be mentioned first. The occasion, why you are giving the party. Yes, as you all are said, You're inviting them for a dinner party, or you're inviting for the wedding parties, or you're inviting them for a birthday parties. So for what occasions you all are inviting, that will be mentioned. And the next one is when and where. The date, time, place, everything will be mentioned in an invitation. Okay, so these are the points you have to cover when you are been preparing an invitation. Okay, next thing we will see now, preparation. Here are some of the invitations. So here the first one given is the housewarming party. Now as you are inviting them for your house function, so the house pictures has been then here it mentioned the date, venues, everything is been mentioned over. So this is how you will prepare your invitation. Yes, timing, everything has been mentioned in this. Now planning of menu. Now the food preparations, what you are going to arrange it in a party, it should always be from the point of view of the guest. What our guest will like it more, that type of food items we will prefer most, and we will plan accordingly. Okay. Now, mostly what type of food the childrens will like? Actually, what kind of foods you like, my dear child? If you are going for a party, what type of foods you like to have it? What foods you like? You like to have a juices. Then and most things you like the Chinese items, no? Yes, you like the Chinese items. Okay. So as per the liking of the persons, you have to arrange a party's menus. Okay. So that also you have to make a proper planning for the program. Okay. Now you all have decided everything. Now there should be a systematic planning, no? What all the events will take place first, and then what we will conduct, and then what will be there. So all the arrangement of an programs, the systematic arrangement of a programs must be done. You have to first, there will be a prayers, and then afterwards you will have a bird. If you are going for a birthday parties, first you will cut a cake, then have a little starters, and then afterwards there will be a dance and all. Then we will give a gift to the persons, and then afterwards you will enjoy the dinners with them, and then afterwards you will say a goodbye, a farewell to the host, and you will move to your home. So these all the things you have to plan it first. So if you are going for a birthday party, you will cut the cake first, no? Or you will do it at the last. First, you will cut the cake. So all the plannings, you should do it in a proper way. And the most important thing for a party is what? Decorations. The decorations brings a liveliness and the beautiful brightness for a party. If there is no decoration and simply we are celebrating, could it bring us so much enthusiasm? If we are doing it in a simple way, could it bring us that much happiness to us? No, it doesn't bring that much happiness. If we are decorating with balloons, ribbons, and the things, so it will definitely bring us a more lot of happiness, and we will also enjoy the occasions. Okay, so decoration is an important thing for the parties. Okay, next one. Here we are going to arrange a party for the grandpa's 60th birthday. Okay, now if you are celebrating a birthday for a grandpa's, okay, so what all arrangement you will do it, you will going to tell me now. Okay.
Decoration.
Yes. Now first one, what you will do it?
Decoration.
Decoration. What is? Yes. What is written in your up? Work allotment to the family members. Yes, you will first give an work to all the family members. The alone person can do all the arrangement. Single person can do all the arrangements.
No.
No, you require your teams, no? So you will divide your work to your family members. The parents will welcome the guests, children will make the arrangement of the games, and
Yes.
your uncle and auntie will make arrangement for the return gifts and food menus. Okay, so these all arrangements, the works will be done by the different family members. Okay. Now, on the day of the party, first and foremost thing, what you will do it, you will welcome the
Members.
guest. Guest, those who are coming to the party, they are the guests. Okay, you will welcome them. Yes. Now, on the day of the party, now your planning has been done. Now the day has arrived. It's the time for your party. What thing you have to do it? Can anyone read the first one?
I did.
Yes,
You must be ready before you guest.
your guest. Yes, you must be ready before your guest arrives. Okay, before your guests are arriving, you must be ready and you be present in the event. Okay, and the second thing, your decoration, food preparation must be ready before the guest arrive. Before your guest arrive, your decorations, food preparations must be ready. Okay, here it's a beautiful decoration for your grandpa's 60th birthday. Okay, now food preparations as per the likes of the children's elders, we have to prepare a menu for the food. Okay. Now greetings. Greeting the guest. Now you have to welcome in a warm welcome. You have to make it when the guests are arriving at your parties.
Yes.
General talk with the guest. Now after when the guests are all arrived, what you do it?
We will talk with the guest.
Yes, you will talk with the guest and you will share your feelings, happiness with them. So you will have a very general talk with your guest. Now, after that, what you will do it? You will,
Give, give them a food.
yes, you will give them the food. You will serve them the foods. Then, after having dinners and all, what arrangements you will do it for a little fun?
Playing games.
Yeah, it brings a lot of happiness to us, na?
Yes.
And it's the most important thing which you like it in a party. It's the games. Okay, when you go to a birthday parties, what things you enjoy? You enjoy the games, tattoos making, and the
Eight.
games you all enjoy very much. Now, can you tell me what all the games you make an
Yes.
arrangement?
Um, balloon history. History and
Yes.
pin the tail on the down
Okay.
on
And some action games also you play, na?
Yes.
Yes, that the Simon says jump. Okay. If you're giving a command, Simon says you have to do the action. Okay. And if
Yes.
you're just giving an action, you should not do it. So such type of games you play. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now,
Treasure
even you give a
is
fun. The next one is a treasure hunt. You will hide some of the things in any place, and you will make an search to a guest. Okay, you will tell the guest to search it, and you are like that you will play a game. And the one more thing you have to keep it in mind while conducting the game is you should not keep playing with the only some friends and don't ignore the others. You should make an involvement of all your friends. Okay.
Okay.
Next one is a farewell. Farewell means you will say a goodbye to a guest in a proper way. You will say, you should pay attention while they are going home. You should ask them whether you have enjoyed the parties. Do you like it? Have you all had a dinner? Everything you have to ask them and say a goodbye to them while they are moving to their home. So this is a bit farewell you will give to your guest. Next, after arrangement, all the things. What's the another thing comes up?
Cleanness.
Yes, cleanliness. You have to clean it with your family members. After all the parties have been over, you should not leave the place as it is. Will you like it?
Yes.
You will like it if you are leaving the place like that only,
No.
with the dirty.
No.
No, you won't like the dirty place. So it is your duty. You have to clean it with your family members. With a teamwork, as you have arranged the program, the same way you will make a cleanliness too. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what are the duties you have to be follow as a good guest? You have to make a proper planning before an event. What you have to do it?
Make
You have
up
to make a
a
proper
planning before
planning.
event.
Yes, you have to make a proper planning. Next thing what you have to do it is you have to consult with the other members regarding the time, place, date and the
Menu.
menu. Okay, can anyone read the third sentence?
I
Yes.
co- consulting with the other members regarding
Regarding,
time, place, date, and menu.
yes, you have to consult with your other members of the family regarding the time, place, date and the menu. And now next one, third one.
Make a proper invitation to the guest.
Yes, it's a very foremost thing you have to do it is a making a proper invitations to a guest. Okay, next thing.
Make proper arrangements of decorations, food items, etc.
Yes, you have to make a proper arrangement of the decorations, food items, and the games, everything, etc., etc. All the things you have to make it properly. And the last thing, what you have to pay attention.
Give a proper farewell to the guest while going home.
Yes, you have to give a proper farewell to your guest while they are going to home. Okay. Next, what all the good qualities he should possess a good host? First one,
Proper planning of the event.
proper planning. Proper planning of the event. Next one, what qualities he will follow?
Work allotment to all the members.
Yes, he has to give a proper work allotment to all the members.
Always be polite.
Yes, he should be always polite. You should not behave in a arrogant or rude way. You should be very politely and very smoothly in talking. Okay, always he should be polite. Next one,
check whether
execution is done.
execution is done as per planning.
Huh. After planning, you have to also check whether it is been going on in a planned way or not, and that is called the execution. After planning, as per your planning, whether the event is been arranged or not, that also you have to check it. So it's also an important thing. Then next one,
Track
chalk out.
chalk out all the program to be conducted in
Conducted.
the event.
Yes, you have to also plan all the items what all to be conducted in the event. That also you have to make it a proper planning. Next one,
Have
have
a
a
friendly conversations with the
conversation.
guest.
Yes, you have to also maintain a proper friendly conversation with your guest. Next one, always list or planning as per the guest preferences. Okay, what the guest like, as per that you have to make out of plannings. Okay, have proper greeting during welcoming the guest and while doing the farewell. You have to do a proper greeting when the guest is arriving and when they are going home. At that time you have to make a proper greeting to them. Now next, now your part as a host is been ended. Now, if you're being a guest, if you're being invited to any party, how you should behave, that we are going to see. Okay. Now
Being
you're
a
being a,
good guest.
yes, you are going to be a good guest. Now, first and foremost thing what you have to do it is informing the host about your presence in the party. Next, think about the gift and wrap it well. If you're the guest, first what you do it, when you receive the invitation, let your host know whether you will attend the party or not.
No.
This you have to make it a proper clear to your host. After you receive an invitation, what you will do it, you will inform your host whether you will be attending the party or not. That you have to inform them. Second thing, if you are choosing a present for your host, then think well what he or she will like. Now, if you are going to a party, do you think or not what gift your friends will like?
Yes.
You think it, na? Which gifts my friend will like most, and that gifts you like to give them. So, as a guest, you have to think about your host and you have to think it what he or she likes. Remove Remember to remove the price tag or label from the gift. Do you put up a price tag in your gift? Do you keep the price tag in your gift, my dear child? No.
No.
Don't keep your price tags. Okay, you will remove it. It is
Yes.
not polite to let your host know how much you spent on the gift. It is not good that if you're giving gift to someone and you're showing them that how much precious gift you have brought to them, it is not good to tell that. So that's why you're removing the price tag from the gift. And after that, you will wrap the gift well and if possible decorate with the wrapping paper. Okay. Now next thing is you have to wrap it. You have to cover your gift very well with the decorative papers. So these are the things you should be doing as a good guest. Now on the day of the party, what you will do it as a guest? First of all, you should be punctual. you should reach on time for the party. Yes. Next one, if there is any work to be done, then offer to help. If you're going to party, do you sit at one place or you help them? You will going to help the persons, okay? And you should be very friendly with the other guest. Take part in all the programs and the games willingly. If you're going for a party and if there is an games, will you going to enjoy it or not? Will you play or you will sit at one place?
No.
You will going to play and you will enjoy the parties. And the next thing, you should appreciate the food and the decorations what the host has done. And the next thing is, what's the sentence given here?
Don't waste food.
Yes, you should not waste the food when you're going out for any party. You should not waste the food. Okay, you should take as much as you wanted. Okay, now when it is the time for you to leave, you have to approach your host and say goodbye. Okay, when it's time for you to leave, that time you will call your host and you will say them a goodbye. Yes. Now, always a success of the party, it can be only done with the friendship you created and the good relationship which you maintain with your guests. With that only your party will become a great success. And if you're being a good host and you're a guest, you have to be a better thing so that everything come under in a very successful manner. Okay, now it's time for your evaluation. Now I will be asking you few questions, you have to answer it. If you are arranging for a birthday party, whom all you will invite?
Our relatives and friends. Relatives, neighborhood, friends.
Yes, you will invite your
Relatives.
family members, you will invite your friends, you will invite your neighbors. What are the first main things need to be planned with family members? What is the first thing?
Invite the guest.
Inviting the guest, and what four things you will follow?
And decoration the home and arrangement the planning
Yes,
and
so these are the main things you will need to be planned with your family members. First of all, you will decide now when and where the party will take place. Time, date, what are that four things?
place.
Yes, and menu. So these things you have to decide it first. What are the games you will like to conduct in your birthday party? Which games you like to conduct in your birthday party? You don't like any games?
Like
Then tell any two games.
first is
Any
treasure
game you can say.
hunt.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek you will play.
Yes.
Musical chairs.
Yes.
Yes. So musical chairs you can play, balloon burstings,
Pin the tail.
pin the tail on the donkey. So these are the games you will play. Tell me some good qualities for being a good host.
Quality.
Good qualities.
Means
You should-
Uh,
Yes.
Smile face.
Yeah, smiling face, very good. You should have a. You should be polite. Very good. And what else? You should make a proper
Yes.
planning. Okay. Now, some good qualities for being a good guest. You should be very friendly with the other, friendly with the other guest. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And you should take part in all the games and events. Okay. So these are some good qualities for being a good guest. Now, your homework is you have to prepare an innovative invitation card for a birthday party. For a birthday party, you have to prepare an innovative invitation card. Okay, it's an homework for you all. Thank you, my dear child, for listening the session so patiently.